shining on a shallow plate. Soft skin holds a hidden weight. Clear and smooth the surface gleams. Light reflects in gentle beams. Steam escapes then settles down. One small world perfectly round. Skin through patient grind. Pork and bamboo stay inside. Mushroom depth and pepper bite. Wrapped in layers, pulled in tight. Nothing wasted, nothing spare. Every part is placed with care. Steam it slow or fry it crisp. Each town keeps a different script. Soft or golden sauce decides. Local taste will take its side. This Taiwan street food, round and true, means something different to you. One small bite, a hometown sound. Many answers in one. No one rule, no single crown. Every place will stand its ground. Meat dumpling, humble and proud. Soft and strong beneath the cloud. Carbs and protein, meat as one. Steady fuel when days run long. Warmth that moves from hand to hand. Light but built to help you stand. Not too rich, not meant to race. Just enough to keep